the brand new Eco-Disc to Papa. Well, it's installed in 2021. 13 persons or 1,000 kgs. Still enclosed past level 3. It's a nice view of the city out there.
Papa to a bar, level 4.
Watch out the window going down. Over there you can see Sky Stadium. Still enclosed at level 3. Now we'll just take it back up to level 4. So it's installed in 2021. Watch out the window again going up. It's been a good few years since I last filmed the lifts here, so yeah, it's good to come back and do it again. Right, here we are at level 4. There it goes. And that's it.